Blueberry 2020 with Van Dykes by Nature. My name is Nicole Van Dyke, and today we're standing in one of our many wild low-bush blueberry fields. We have fields in 5 different counties, and within these 5 different counties within Nova Scotia, we manage and harvest roughly 600 acres of wild low-bush blueberries. So behind me here today, you're going to see our 4 single-head bin loader harvesters in operation.
Hello, my name's Peter Van Dyke. We grow wild blueberries. We've grown wild blueberries since the early 60s. And we have developed our growing fields from basically old farm fields. My parents both came from farming background, and I grew up farming. We did have livestock farms also. But now we're solely on blueberries, and we're working roughly 500 acres, and we have another 100 acres that we're trying to bring into production, which will happen over the next few years. We have taken our wild blueberries one step further, and we do value add, and as we go through, we'll show you a few of our products that we make and a little bit about the processes of how we make them. As I said, my parents both came from family backgrounds, moved to Canada in '54, and kind of developed the farm from there, and we're in the 3rd generation farmers now. This is one of our early products we made. This is our juice that has been in production now for 25 plus years, and we sell in several countries around the world. It takes 3 pounds of grade A wild blueberries to make 1 liter of juice. So there's a lot of nutrients packed in this product. So we had started this building early on doing fresh pack, but fresh pack you can really only use the facility for 5 weeks of the year. And my parents wanted to develop a business that they could run 365 days of the year. So that is part of the reason why we went with the juice production, and they wanted to be able to sell a juice that is really high-end, healthy for you. And they worked with the Central Research Station to develop a juice that would be just that. This is not a juice that's comparable to apple juice or orange juice. It's more of a medicinal, it's more of a health drink, and so you would use maybe a bottle a week, a third of a cup a day. We built this addition on in 2017, and we have a drying facility here. So we built this to dry wild blueberries, but we've also been drying other products for our own sales, but we've also been working with a lot of different farmers to dry different products for them and try to do trials for them in case they want help in making some new value-added products with their own products. So what we do in this process, it's a 2-step process, and we start with most all of our products from frozen product, and we load them in this loading basket here, and then they will go on a tray. These trays go in the machine based on their moisture content, how fast the machine will take them. The machine holds 156 trays, They just go in and then they go up a notch, another one goes in, and they continue to do that. They go all the way to the top of the tower, across the top, and back down the other side. So we use this particular machine to take about 50% of the moisture out that we want to remove from our product. And then when it comes out the other side, we load it in a basket. When the product comes out on this end of our tower dryer, we basically remove 50% of the moisture we want to remove. So you put the tray in this holder, and we scrape the product off of the tray, and it goes in a basket underneath. The basket underneath is what the product will be in when it goes into our microwave dryer. Just put the cover on, and so this cover has holes in the top, and that is where the moisture will come out while the product's in the microwave. And the product has ridges on it. There's a roller inside of the microwave dryer so that the basket tumbles continuously while it's in there. So in the microwave, all the heat is being equally on all of the product while it's in the basket. So the basket will be loaded into the microwave here. There holds about 5 baskets. Depending on the moisture going in and the moisture coming out, it will take a basket about every 3 minutes to load into the microwave. The microwave runs under a vacuum, so it brings the boiling point down. The lower your vacuum, then the lower the boiling point of the water, so you can take out water at a lower temperature. And that's kind of the claim to why the microwave works well at taking the product down to a very low moisture, but retaining its flavors, retaining its nutrients, and not doing harm. And as the baskets pass through, the microwave holds 12 baskets, and again, it's taking roughly 3 minutes per basket to load. It's taking about 36 minutes for a basket to go through, one into the other. When it comes out, then we will pour the product out of the basket on a cooling conveyor just to cool it down some before it's packed in a box. We've been selling, we're fairly new at this part of it, but we now have customers in 3 or 4 different countries, and working on some other countries now. And so we sell the product in some of our small pouches, and we also sell in bulk to ingredient companies that are using it in different products.
Managing our wild blueberry crop, we also manage roughly 200 honeybee hives that we use for pollination services in our own wild blueberry fields, as well as renting out to other growers. We also use the honey that the honeybees collect in creating new products for our product line.